In this video, I will show you how to maximize your value using the Delta Stays credits found on your Amex credit card. If you carry the Delta SkyMiles Platinum or Reserve cards, you get an annual credit of up to $200 for prepaid hotel bookings. To get started, you must head over to the Delta Stays website instead of booking through the hotel directly. One major benefit is the ability to offset the cost of luxury stays or boutique hotels that might otherwise be expensive. However, a significant drawback is that these count as third-party bookings. This means you likely will not earn hotel loyalty points or enjoy elite status perks like room upgrades while using the credit. It is best to use this for independent hotels where status does not matter as much. Make sure you select the prepaid rate and use your eligible card at checkout to trigger the statement credit. Planning ahead is key because these credits reset each calendar year. Use them wisely to